Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. If you're feeling fed up with life, tired, stressed, anxious, worried, lonely, or perhaps even joyful, know that it's okay. Okay to be happy. Okay to not feel okay. We're going to take some deep breaths, say some positive affirmations, and use our mind in a way that can serve us rather than serving the mind. We're going to have the mind serve us. Embracing our emotion, embracing whatever mood is felt in this moment. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture. Aware of your surroundings, noticing the colors and texture of your space. Noticing the color and texture of your inner world. The energy level today, is it high? Is it low? Somewhere in between. Noticing if the body feels tense, restless, or relaxed. Closing the eyes, tuning deeper into sound. You're safe to let the eyes be closed, bringing the attention inwards. Noticing how you feel. Relaxing your belly, relaxing your shoulders, dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing the jaw, the lips, and the forehead, relaxing your hands and feet, feeling the sensation of touch. Listening very carefully. Becoming like a pure listener. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling old life, old energy, letting it go. Breathing in trust. exhaling fears, letting it go. Breathing in love. Exhaling anger, letting go of any anger inside. Doing good, my friend. Staying aware of your posture. I want you to visualize your whole body breathing in. And your whole body exhaling, letting go. Breathing in sets of 3. Inhaling. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Exhale. Inhaling. And exhaling slowly. Breathing in. And breathing out. Inhaling slowly. And exhaling even slower. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing your belly, relaxing your face, bringing a smile. Taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out, inhaling, and exhale out. Breathing in fully and completely, and exhaling, letting go of all negativity, feeling negativity, leave the mind, leave the body. Having forgiveness for any mistakes that have been made recently, any shortcomings, any feelings of failure. Remembering that failure is part of success, that mistakes is part of the learning. Letting the eyes be closed as you look in, and if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Let your mind be totally free to think. thoughts coming back into your body, feeling love for your body as it is, feeling love for your mind as it is. Feeling love for your anxiety as it is. Feeling love for this moment as it is. Relaxing your face with a smile. Smiling at the pain inside, knowing that you're beyond the suffering of life, which comes and goes. Coming back into trust, feeling a trusting energy starting to bubble up inside, melting away the fear, feeling love for today, letting go of past and future, feeling rooted in this moment, rooted in the here and now. Taking care of this moment, knowing that just by taking care of this moment, the next moment will already be taken care. So let go of future worries. Just come back into this precious moment. Everything is okay. Becoming aware of your posture. Becoming aware of your body. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Inhale. And exhale. Breathing in. And breathing out. The color for today is gray. The number is 50. And the animal is a lion. Taking one more deep breath for now. Holding the breath at the top. Tensing your body, squeeze down on the fist, squeeze down on the jaw, tense. And exhale. Relaxing the hands, relaxing the face, relaxing the mind, relaxing the heart. Relaxing the belly, feeling your belly absolutely relaxed. I thank you for joining me across time and space, sending you a big hug, wishing you a beautiful day, a beautiful evening, a beautiful morning, whensoever you're watching this. Hope that the rest of your day goes well, and if it doesn't go well, that you can embrace and say yes to the challenges that arise. Inevitably, challenges going to arise. The key is to say yes, to pay attention when you're saying no to life. Too much. Rejecting life, rejecting people, rejecting yourself, rejecting how you feel, rejecting the opportunities, rejecting so many things in any given day, as opposed to saying yes. Say yes to life. Say yes to your pain. Say yes to your love. Say yes to all the difficult people that you encounter. Embracing life as it is. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.